Welcome to Vehicle Ground. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Hyundai Kona, a compact SUV that's making waves in the market with its bold design, solid performance, and a tech-packed interior. Whether you're in the market for your first SUV or looking for something that offers a little more than your average hatchback, the Kona might just be the perfect match. Let's see if this compact SUV is as good as it sounds. Engine specs and performance. Under the hood, the Hyundai Kona offers a range of engine options to suit different driving preferences. The base model comes with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 147 horsepower, which is plenty for daily driving and city commutes. For those looking for a little more punch, there's the 1.6-liter turbocharged engine, which delivers 175 horsepower and offers a more spirited driving experience. Both engines are paired with either a 6-speed automatic or a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, providing smooth shifting and responsive handling. The Kona's compact size makes it agile and easy to park, and it delivers a fun, engaging driving experience whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising down the highway. Interior and exterior design. Step inside and the Hyundai Kona impresses with its modern, well-designed interior. The cabin features a user-friendly layout with high-quality materials, giving it a premium feel for a compact SUV. The seats are comfortable, offering good support, and there's ample space for front passengers. The rear seats are a little tight for taller passengers, but they're adequate for short trips. The 8-inch touchscreen with an optional 10.25-inch upgrade is easy to navigate, and the available head-up display helps keep important driving information in your line of sight. On the outside, the Kona stands out with its bold and edgy design. Its sharp lines, aggressive front grille, and LED headlights give it a sporty, modern appearance, while the compact size makes it a great choice for urban driving and parking. Key features and technology. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Hyundai Kona is stylish, fun to drive, and packed with tech and safety features. It offers a smooth ride, solid performance, and impressive fuel efficiency. The bold exterior design definitely makes it stand out, and the interior is both functional and comfortable. On the downside, the rear seats may feel cramped for taller passengers, and the cargo space is on the smaller side compared to other compact SUVs. Additionally, the ride can be a little firm, especially on rough roads. Ideal audience for this car. The Hyundai Kona is perfect for anyone who wants the practicality of an SUV, but doesn't need the size or bulk of a larger vehicle. It's ideal for young professionals, city dwellers, or small families who are looking for a fun-to-drive, tech-savvy vehicle with great fuel efficiency. It's also a solid choice for drivers who want something stylish that stands out on the road. To wrap things up, the Hyundai Kona is a great option for those seeking a compact, stylish, and well-equipped SUV. With its sharp design, fun performance, and impressive tech features, it punches above its weight in the crowded SUV market. While it might not have the most spacious rear seats or cargo space, it offers a fantastic mix of value, style, and practicality that's hard to beat. If you're looking for an affordable and fun-to-drive compact SUV, the Kona should definitely be on your shortlist. Thanks for tuning in to Vehicle Ground. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and updates on the latest vehicles.